The UGC has told the Supreme Court that it is the sole authority to take a decision on whether the exam should be conducted or not. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the court on behalf of the UGC that the decision can only be taken by the body as it can only grant degree. He further questioned the decision taken by the governments of Maharashtra and Delhi under the Disaster Management Act to cancel final year examinations. The court has adjourned further hearing on the matter. The case will next be heard on 14th of August. Last week, the Supreme Court had asked the Maharashtra and Delhi government to place on record the decision to cancel the exams. The Ministry of Home Affairs too was asked about its stand on the matter. The court is hearing a batch of petitions that sought cancellation of the final term exams due to COVID-19 pandemic. The UGC said that the universities were approached to inform the status of the conduct of the exams, and responses were received from 818 universities, which contains 121 deemed universities, 291 private universities, 51 central universities and 355 state universities. Out of 818 universities, 603 have either conducted the examinations or are planning to conduct. 209 others have already conducted examinations either in online or in offline mode. 394 are planning to conduct examinations in online, offline or in blended mode in August and September. Many students have urged that the exams be cancelled and the result of the student can be calculated on the basis of their internal assessment or past performance. So, what are your views on the UGC decision to refuse the state government's move of not conducting final year exams? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.